Hey everybody, me here, Ed. Pro you need to know, check this out everybody. This is Lake Erie. Yes, Lake Erie. Check this out everybody. The lake is not frozen. I got the snow dozer out here. I got a back tire that I had to get my spare and put it on. Right now I got a little issue. But check this out everybody. The lake is not frozen. Not even kidding. Look at this. You would think somebody made them piles. Them piles were naturally made. Hey, let's see what it's like walking down here. This could be iffy. There could be water under us, you think? Look at this, everybody. Sounds a little crunchy. Look at this. Like I said, it's only about, let's say 38, 40 degrees. Yeah, I'm actually out in the water territory right now, big time. Because where it says private property up there, yeah, back where my truck is a beach, and there is a little beach here, but no, not right where I turned. That's about where the water would normally start hitting. So water's under us for sure. Yeah, thought I'd bring this out to you guys. That's nice and interesting. Nice to know. Look at that. Until next time. Yes, that's what you got out here. It's the snow. It's the snow. Yes, yes. I don't have my reflective clothing on, but I do got my subscribe hat and my subscribe hoodie. Starting to get a little taste of the apparel, as you should do if you're trying to make a go at it. You always got to invest in what you love the most. Until next time, the pro you need to know. Coming to you from Erie, PA. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks. God bless.